Craft Pro in-lab test kits are designed to give you exact concentrations of each key brewing parameter so you can precisely adjust your water profile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to collect your sample and ship it to our laboratory for analysis. In your test kit, you'll receive instructions, a chain of custody, and sample vials. This kit is designed to be used on a quarterly basis or anytime your water utility shifts water sources, or simply to check that your dosing ratios are correct. Your kit will also come with a free pack of DIY test strips. We recommend using these when you collect your water for the lab analysis, and then every time you brew, so you can make sure your water chemistry hasn't shifted between lab tests. The first step is to collect your water sample. Fill each vial to just above the 50 ml mark with your brewing water, wort, beer, or other liquid. Now, place the caps back on the vials. Invert and shake each vial to make sure they aren't leaking. Then, use a pen to write all of the requested information on each vial. You'll now want to fill out your paper chain of custody. Fill out all the required information and cut on the dotted line. After filling out your paper chain of custody, you'll need to complete the online registration. This is not an optional step and must be completed before you ship your sample. Either scan the QR code on your chain of custody or go to craftprotestkits.com/register kit to begin. Follow the prompts to complete the registration. During this process, you will be asked if you want standard or rush testing. If you choose rush testing, you'll pay the additional fee during this registration process. You'll also mark that you paid for rush testing on your paper chain of custody. Standard testing will be completed within 10 business days, and rush testing will be completed within 5 business days from the time we receive your sample at the laboratory. Once you've finished the online portion, take your paper chain of custody and place it in the sealable plastic bag. Then, put each vial into its own bubble bag, roll them tightly around the vials, and lay them side by side. Do not tape the bags shut. Place the bagged chain of custody on top of the rolled vials and wrap the rubber band around the whole assembly. Now, pack your vials and chain of custody back into the sample collection box, close it, and seal it with packing tape. You'll now ship your sampling kit to the address shown on the screen here. We highly recommend using UPS or FedEx for faster shipping times. Be sure to keep your tracking number so you can monitor the progress of your shipment. If you have any questions about how to use your Craft Pro test kit, feel free to give us a call or send us an email, and we'll be happy to help. Craft Pro Test Kits. We help you make every batch your best batch.